आयोजन बनाना है।
Kaseng United Democratic Party mendagasngi kelapin benaya katup kerteng kaba ar jongki kertong jongka na kebentak election kebansawan jongki ingron batauan jongka jela. U General Secretary Kaseng UDP uba jaminu mautho ulapin benaya katup kerteng kaba ar hadin belawai ke jingelang jongka State Election Committee ya kabelapin long ha ke office trikam jongka seng. Ki artli ki kerteng ki belapau ha kani katup kaba ar ki kintup yau MLA Barem u John Leslie ki sangma uban sa aireng persya yu menteri rambak kajela u Konrad ke sangma na South Tura bat upilni e sangma na North Tura laruban pinkenmau biang ni ba kani kaseng keladep an penbena ya laipu arngut ki kertong ha katup kerteng ka beningkong bakin tup ru yah nyongut na rilum garu.
The State Election Committee said and decided to field one of the ex-MLA from South Tura constituency, Mr. John Leslie Sangma. We are also very glad to inform you, as announced by the General Secretary, to have with us once again Dr. Pilnis Sangma, who was our candidate in the last MDC election from Tura constituency. We are fielding Dr. Pilnis Sangma as our candidate from the North Tura constituency.